Bridge course 2022-23 class 10th subject science and technology part 1 pre-test question answers. ही टेस्ट 12 मार्क्सची आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स. 1. एव्हरी मॉर्निंग स्वराली वॉक अराउंड द एज ऑफ अ सेमी सर्क्युलर फील्ड having a radius of r m as shown in figure. If she start from point A and end at point B, what is the ratio of the distance she walk and her displacement? क्वेश्चन मध्ये दिला आहे डिस्टन्स, रेडियस आहे r, म्हणजे डिस्टन्स आलं पाय r आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट 2r. डिस्टन्स अपॉन डिस्प्लेसमेंट पाय आर अपॉन 2r. r कट होतात आणि उरतात पाय अपॉन r, म्हणून द रेशो विल बी पाय अपॉन r. पाय इज टू r. Question 2, give scientific reason. Valency is always a whole number. Answer. 1. Number of electron denoted or shared cannot be negative. 2. Number of electrons cannot be fractional. Hence, the valency is always whole number. Three. Classify the following acids into weak acid and strong acid. H2CO3, HNO3, HCl, CH3, COOH. Answer. Weak acid मध्ये येतं H2CO3, CH3, COOH. Strong acid मध्ये HNO3, HCl. 4. If the mirror are kept parallel to each other, how many images will found in the mirror? N is equals to 360 upon A minus 1. N means number of image. A means angle of mirror. If the mirror are kept parallel to each other, then the mirror will get a innumerable multiplicative images of the object. 5. Complete the following flowchart. Carbon, crystalline, non-crystalline. Crystalline चे example आहे diamond, fluorines, graphite. and non-crystalline चे example आहे coal, charcoal, coke. Question number 2, answer the following question. Identify the following picture and label the numbered part. Answer. The name of the figure is reverberation. 1. Reflected sound. 2. Singer. 3. Direct sound. 4. Listener. Question number 2. What will happen if an electric circuit is flow in the circuit in the given experiment? Which material is present in the pencil? Which property of the material is found in the experiment? Answer. 1. In the experiment, if electric current is started in the circuit, the bulb will light up. 2. Lead is substance in pencil. 3. Lead conduct and electricity. This property shown in this experiment. 3. What is meant by water of crystallization? Give example of salt with water of crystallization and their uses. Answer. The number of water molecules in a crystal structure is fixed. This is called crystal water. Example. 1. Alum. 2. Borax. 3. Epsom salt. 4. Barium chloride. 5. Sodium sulfate. Uses. 1. Alum. Alum and burnt alum is used in medicine. Borax. Borax is used in cosmetic industries, make to lotion, shampoos and cold creams. 3. Epsom salt. It is added in bath water to relieve muscles pain. 4. Barium chloride. It is used in purification of marine solution. 5. Sodium sulfate. It is used in preparation of detergent. Draw a symbol of the following component and write their uses. Resistance symbol अशा प्रकारे आहे and uses to control the flow of current in circuit. 2. voltmeter अशा प्रकारे voltmeter symbol काढायचा आहे. Then uses to measure potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. 3. electric bulb याचा सिम्बॉल अशा प्रकारे ड्रॉ करायचा आहे. देन uses to test the flow of electricity. 5. explain in which of the following cases the work done by the force is positive work, negative work or zero work. 1. pushing a stall vehicle. Answer: positive work. When force and the direction of displacement are the same, then the work done by the force is positive work. 2. tie a rope around the end of the rope and rotate it round and round. Answer: zero work. Displacement does not occur when the force is heated or when the force and the displacement are perpendicular to each other. Then the action performed by the force is zero work. 3. catching a ball thrown at you by your friend. Answer: negative work. When the direction of the force and displacement are opposite to each other, then the work done by force is a negative work. अशा प्रकारे ही टेस्ट आपली कंप्लीट झालेली आहे. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा आणि आपल्या मित्रांसोबत शेअर करा आणि चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनला सुद्धा क्लिक करा. यामुळे तुम्हाला नोटिफिकेशन लगेच मिळेल. थँक्यू.